do here, what here better than there. Edoniro wa kebedonirisi. Itwe egwa ogoba obonoba nedo. Oba ato okpe. Itwe do ya fefefe. Itwe ni wa Itwe dion kebigoli. Itwe kaeme. Itwe ko. Itwe loyi. Itwe ni wa ya do ya fe. Ni ro wa kebedonirisi. Wa ya fe wa ri da ho. Ni mare do ta dene enokan egi ni redo egi oregwa kebegi obehe no redo wa ya bi total wa gi ma total pepepe na da ho okadokade we don't have here u yo o salogwa o edo oba ato ope o is we greet all people, we greet Edo people. We greet elders. We greet young people. We greet the king, the Omonoba Edo, the monarch of Edo Kingdom. We greet the Eniges. We greet the Ekan, the chiefs, Oba Palace chiefs. We greet the people in the harem and all those who serve the kingdom of Edo. We greet you all. Today we have a special program. Today we want to talk about something that is pertaining to our very beginning of the kingdom, of the Edo Kingdom, of our rulership, of our monarch, and of our king. Mare, Madogwakan, when Usalobaya Fiangbimahe, Manedu, Ebena at a bay of a dopa machina, Macabe Guacanye Suwe, Dario, Nimado Guacana. Ege no salogba muni manedo no mune niwa oba when you agba ore wo na ka yen. Today we are dealing with the people, the category of people of rulership whom God allowed to govern Edo people, to rule Edo people. There are two categories and we'll show it to you right now. Ibu eva no be ma here ma wa na no ka ma ka ri ma o ogieni cow onyo ogie ore no ki story ogie so bo ya gbagbon no we no do gba ore do niyen iso okere na che ogiso ma ya ka be ho be ni Mahaka be home, Uke do a no Tanao. Ogisona, Onaga, Okbanya, no ye Karedo, no ye Baoredo, no ye Kanyado. I came to me where a soke arrow, no manga arrow. I came to lie, no pogiva any of kind. Kere or Minya. Ade no so gbe oba eweka wagi mata okade opopa. This rulership that God gave to the kings to rule Edo, they are in two categories. The first part is belonging to the dynasty of Ogiso. We call it Ogiso dynasty. The dynasty is given by God. It is after the order of the primogenitura, that is the first son of the king, the prince, inheriting the throne from his father, the Ogiso dynasty. There were 31 kings. 31 kings. As we shall see, this was established before Christ. Before Christ came to the world to save the world from sin. In 40 BC, the dynasty of Ogiso ruling Edo Kingdom. A king does not rule without a kingdom. The Edo Kingdom, ruled by the Ogiso dynasty, started as far back as 40 BC. And we can see here, the Ogiso Igodo being the number one. Ogiso Igodo, he founded what we call Igodo Migodo, which is now called Edo or Benin City. You will see it in our book, Edo Pamaki. Igodo. He founded Igodo Migodo, which is now called Edo. This is now called Benin City. Ogiso Igodo. Before we go to the next one, let me tell my people that Edo Yafe Mawe Ario Bawe Edo. No Ario Bedo no room water bum saloba yinima. Ogi saloba geke imire. No ga ogi no cow. Ono ogi so ogi no kisori. No kawo. Ama eje Christi, Jesu Christi. Oye de ko do ye va akedo bi Jesu Christi. No kawo ogi so igodo. Ogi so igodo. Ugege no ya ri yoba. We ye va de kara ki de mere Christi. Mami ayo bedo o de mudia na wegeni. Nu pogeva. Ogi so o kekere di Jesu Christi yagbon. Nu pogeva. Nu pogeha. Ogi so orire. Ogi so orire. Ubega gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. O dan kanja Arioba Oredo. Bogena Ogiso Odia. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. No yakanya Arioba Oredo. Bogisan Ogiso Irido. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. Gẹ́gẹ́ Jesu Christi. Ogiso Nubogeha. Ogiso Ewobo. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. No yakanya Arioba Oredo. Bogihian Ogiso Ogbede. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. No yakanya Arioba Oredo. Mujao. Bogihian Ogiso Umehe. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari yagbon. No yakanya Arioba Oredo. Just watch it and see how one Ogiso reigned after another. The first one was Ogiso Igodo. He founded Igodo Migodo, which we now know as Benin City. Igodo Migodo. That is 40 BC, 40 years before our Lord Jesus Christ was born. The second one was Ogiso. They have beautiful names, meaningful names. Ogiso. Look at his reign. 16 to 66 Christian era. CE, Christian era. The third one, Ogiso Orire. 66 to 100 Christian era. The fourth, Ogiso Odia. You got it? Look at his reign. The fifth, Ogiso Irido. 400 to 414 Christian era. Ogiso Ewobo. 414 to 432 Christian era. The next, Ogiso Ogbede. Look at his reign in Benin City. Igodo Migodo. Look at his age. Ogiso Umehe. That's the time he reigned in Igodo Migodo, which is now known as Benin City. You see how they are coming one by one by one. This is Benin Edo Kingdom history. On our Edo, where the man do ya have your back again there day. Huh? No bogey Ogiso Ekbigo, Mamia. Gẹ́gẹ́ no ya yagbon. Wọ́n do ka nya Arioba Oredo. 10 Ogiso Akwa. Hell, gẹ́gẹ́ no ya yagbon. Wọ́n do ka nya Arioba Oredo. Next.